Denmark had a very 80s
Oh,
feel.
by the way, Italy is like passing me now. Like people from Italy are passing me. So
Can we get over? Do they want
wait,
to
maybe
say
when
hello?
I turn around to camera, let's
Okay.
see.
Oh, guys, this could be the biggest moment ever on the Maastricht edition.
There goes Italy.
This is the
Arrivederci.
pressure.
Wow, look
I
at that.
I have to wear my face mask.
Of course.
Oh, no.
Sorry,
course.
I got some quite angry faces.
Look. Oh, this is really cool, guys.
Chris.
Backstage.
I got the chance to ask them a question.
Okay.
Oh,
Wow.
wait. I have to walk around the delegation. Oh, sorry.
They look like a load of bodyguards.
They do. Work your best
Yeah.
Italian, Denis.
Well, they are there. Maybe you can see them.
Okay.
Yeah, I believe the blonde girl is the guitarist who's very funky in the video.
Yeah.
And I don't see the guy.
Here's singer. I'm walking with him. Can you wave? It's a television. It's a radio show. It's a Dutch radio. Well, it's English language. Can you say hi to all? And there are some people in there who are like big fans of.
Hello.
Buonasera.
Hi. Welcome to the Maastricht edition.
Can you say hi to all the viewers of this radio? Well, it's an online radio show, but can you say hi, or do you have a message for them? Do you have like a message? Can you say like?
Can they say hello to the Maastricht edition?
Thank you.
Oh, bless.
Wow.
Well, there you go.
Quite cool.
That is how.
Oh, the guy, they're so cool. They are so cool. I vote Italy to win.
All the time that you're just wandering around and then all of a sudden
there was like, go away, it's COVID. I'm like, oh.